Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. Today our video is going to be about paneéd meat, or if you want to be specific, paneéd pork loin. It's a pork loin that we cut real thin and pounded it. And we have about 6 pieces. We're going to season them, put a little egg wash, bread them, and fry them down. It's really easy. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so this is what we have. We have about a half a dozen nice pork loin slices that we pounded down nice and thin. You can see how thin that is. And we have some Italian breadcrumbs. Way too much. And now we have a couple of eggs, and we're going to make a little egg wash to get started. So let's make some egg wash. Got that baby in there. All right. I'm just going to scramble up these eggs. No, we're not scrambling them. We're beating them up. Put a little half and half in there. Maybe a 1/4 cup. All right, we got that ready. So we're going to take some Lawry seasoned salt. By the way, they don't sponsor me at all. I'm not sponsored by anybody. But we're going to take some Lawry seasoned salt and lightly season that meat. And then we're going to go into, well, we're not going in to flour because I don't have a dish with flour, but I have my little shaker with flour. So what I like to do is just throw a little flour coating on there, like this. And that's all-purpose flour. Doesn't have to be that thick. Then we're going to go into an egg wash. Let it get nice and wet. Come right over here into the breadcrumbs. Like that. Get it all nice and coated with breadcrumb. Give it a little shake, and we're ready to put it in the oil. But we're going to let them sit out here until I get them all done. So come on, let's get a close-up, and we'll show you how it looks. All right, like I said, first thing you do, give it a little Lawry seasoned salt. Lawry seasoned salt and pork are like made for each other. I'm telling you. And you go into that egg wash. Oh, man, did I screw up. I was supposed to put the flour on first. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the flour on right now. Watch this. It's okay, watch. I'm going to put the flour on now. Then I'm going to go into the egg wash. Yeah, this will just have a little bit of a thicker coating, that's all. And we'll throw that breadcrumb right on it, just like that. Just because you're cooking doesn't mean you're perfect, you know. And here we go. Give it a little press. Look at that, beautiful. So, season. Season the meat. Throw a little flour on it. Looks like powdered sugar. Egg wash. Breadcrumb. Shake it off. Okay, paneéd meat ready to go in. The oil is 340 degrees. We're going to set the chops in here. We don't want them frying too fast because we want them to cook through. Put them in nice and slow so we don't splash. We'll let that fry for a couple of minutes until it's golden brown. Well, we're using our thermal pen to check the temperature. It dropped down to 290. Of course, I don't have a high fire either, but it's frying nicely. But they're thin, so we're just going to flip them over while they're golden brown on the other side. Look at that, how pretty. And we'll fry these for a couple of more minutes until the other side is golden brown, and we'll place them on our paper towels, get ready to eat dinner. Ooh, it's time to take this batch out because they're looking great. And we're just going to drip them a little bit, get some of that oil off, and they are beautiful. Look at that, how pretty. Well, I'll finish up the rest and we'll come right back. Well, I have to tell you, when you're frying the pork loin, making paneéd meat, it just smells so good. You can't wait to eat. And while it's nice and hot, I'm going to dig in. So, Pam made me some nice mashed potatoes. And this is real mashed potatoes, none of that instant stuff. And I'll put a little bit of that on my plate. And I'm just going to grab a nice little piece here and maybe this one right here. Wow, I can't wait to dig in. Let me show you how good this is. Oh, you don't really need to eat it with a fork and a knife. I mean, really, if you just want to and you're home by yourself, just take a piece and dip it in and eat it like that. Mmm, 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 mmm. I feel like I'm at Mardi Gras, y'all. Mmm, that is so good. The crispy outer coating, the thin cut meat, it just melts in your mouth with a nice dobble of mashed potatoes on top. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's comfort food right there, y'all. I got to tell you, this dinner is so good. This is something you guys need to try at home. It's simple, easy, and your family's going to love it. So listen, I want to thank you guys for tuning into the Sandra's Kitchen. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your comments and subscribing. So if you haven't subscribed, take a little time right now and go do that. And hit the notification bell because you'll know when we come out with our new videos. So go make you some paneéd pork loin. Cut them thin, Lawry salt, seasoned salt, mashed potatoes. You're gonna love it. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Sandra's Kitchen. Have a great week and God bless you.